Now move on question number 12 from exercise 7.11, it means 7.11. I is equal to integral 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. For that, say that's equation number 1 and apply the P4 property. P4 is 0 to a integral 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a fa minus x dx. Applying this property, we can say I is equal to integral 0 to pi. In place of x we put pi minus x, it's whole divided by 1 plus sine pi minus x whole with dx. Now integral 0 to pi, that should be remain same. Numerator also should be remain same. It's whole divided by 1 plus sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta, it means sine theta. We can say sine x with dx. Left hand side is your I and say that's equation number 2. Once again add both these equation. दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड करेंगे आप तो 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi. Limit are same and also the denominator 1 plus sin x and 1 plus sin x is the same. So we take LCM in both. We can say 1 plus sin x. Numerator be added. So x plus pi minus x whole with dx. This x and this x will be cancelled and the remaining part is 0 to pi upon 1 plus sin x whole with dx. Left hand side is 2i. Now we can say 2i is equal to pi as a constant outside of the integration and we can say 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now for solving 1 plus sin x, we can say multiply both numerator and denominator 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. Numerator और denominator दोनों को आपने multiply किया. Now we can say pi integral 0 to pi in numerator 1 minus sin x whole divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, a plus b into a minus b. Apply the formula a square minus b square, it means 1 minus sin square x whole with dx. Now we can say pi integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin x, that's numerator, upon 1 minus sin square x. It means by first identity we can say cos square x dx. Now separate the numerator with the denominator. We can say integral 0 to pi 1 upon cos square x and minus sin x upon cos square x whole with dx. Now solve these. We can say left hand side is 2i, that is equal to integral 0 to pi 1 upon cos square x, that is sec square x, and minus sin x upon cos square x. तो ये जाएगा आपके पास sec x into 10x. Apply the formula for that. We can say 2i is equal to integration of sec square x, that is 10x, and minus sec x 10x, that is sec x, and limit goes to 0 to pi. Applying the limit, first of all we use upper limit. We can say 10 pi minus sec pi and minus, now apply the lower limit, 10 0 minus sec 0. Now we can say 10 pi, value of 10 pi, that is equal to 0. Clear? And one thing I think miss, there is pi as a constant is outside of whole bracket, ध्यान दीजिएगा. तो पाई इंटू हो जाएगा आपके पास 0 माइनस सेक पाई का वैल्यू -1 ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड माइनस 10 0 का वैल्यू 0 एंड माइनस सेक 0 का वैल्यू 1 होल ब्रैकेट. नाउ दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई इंटू -1 प्लस 1 एंड माइनस प्लस 1, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज ऑल्सो वी हैव 2i. So from here we can say I is equal to pi. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So I is equal to pi. I means your question. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 x upon 1 plus sin x dx is equal to pi is your answer.